Hi everybody, just getting a head start on tomorrow, and this is for setting up the Microbit so you can transfer data from the Microbit to your computer. So some of you have your Microbit code kind of done, but what you need to do is you need to be able to transfer this data to a computer. So this short tutorial is going to show you how to do that. And it's very simple in fact. So as you can see here over to my right, the Microbit, the connection between the Microbit and the computer is done via a USB cable. Now, traditionally, computers always worked with serial ports, and so what we need to do is we need to kind of fake a USB connection, or we need to redirect our connection between the computer and the Microbit to pick up the USB on the Microbit. And this is very straightforward, but in the old days you might have to use something like this block over here and tell it the pins you're going to use and all that. But very straightforward now. We use a block called serial redirect to USB. And serial is, in computing, a serial port is a serial communication interface through which information transfers in or out, one bit at a time. Look, quite simply, serial allows you to read and write data over a serial connection. The serial port supports serial connection between the BBC Microbit and another computer. And basically, and this is the key phrase, this is what allows you to send data from the Microbit to your computer, and vice versa. You can also receive data from the computer onto your Microbit. So we don't really need to know how the workings of how they work in the background. So let's see how we do it. So we go here to our Microbit, and what we want to do, we're going to have two blocks for the demonstration I'm going to show you. And the first is the on start block, and I'm going to go down here to the advanced, and I'm going to go straight to serial. And if you go right down to the bottom of serial, you'll see this block here, serial redirect to USB. Click and drag that out, and right away on the start of your make code program when your Microbit is running, it's going to immediately be redirected so it can transfer data over the USB. Right, once you've got that done, well, we want to transfer the data. So in my simple case here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to, go down here again to serial, and I'm going to say serial right line. You can also use serial right number there, maybe. Serial right line, and I'm going to send the temperature of my Microbit. My Microbit here, I'm going to send that now, and for me that is all I need to do in the Microbit. So in your program for the make code here, whatever you've done, you're going to transfer whatever data using these two blocks, and that's quite simply it. So join me in the next video where we're going to connect up the Microbit to the computer, and we'll see the temperature, and then we'll start sending some data to our, well, let's actually do that, finish off with that. We connect up the Microbit here. So I just plug that into my USB port. As it stands, my Microbit, well, I load the code on here now. And let's see, so we go to download to the Microbit. I'm going to send it from the Microbit, save it onto it. You'll see it flashing like mad here, an indication that it's transferring the data over. It takes a few seconds for it to do that. And once that's done, so we're going to see now, and one little thing I forgot to do, so my Microbit is blank now, as you'll notice. So I want to show the number on my Microbit also, so that I can, kind of track what's going on. And this will make it easier for me to know if I'm getting the right data into Python very shortly. So again, I'm going to quickly download again because it won't update automatically. You can see flashing again here in the background. And now, very shortly, we should see a temperature coming up in the Microbit. So there we go. We can see there's 27 degrees where I am here, so it seems to be quite warm. I'll just blow this up. So 27 degrees. seems to be quite warm there. If I blow on the microbit, hopefully we'll see that rising. 28 there, you can see now. And if I give another bit of a blow, hopefully it'll gone up 29. So you can see the temperature is rising there. So see me in the next video where we'll set up the communication channels to receive this in Python.